So we have Dr. Claudette Jatto with us. Dr. Jatto, thank you for being on the show.
Good morning. I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very humbled that you invited me in today.
Thank you so much. And you have a health and wellness center in your practice. Can you tell us all about it?
I do. I'm an internal medicine physician. I've been in our community for the last 18 years. Over the last 10 years, my passion has constantly evolved regarding my approach to wellness. As an internal medicine doctor, we do definitely practice evidence-based medicine, but I now view myself as an integrative physician, which means that using evidence-based medicine, but strongly applying the concepts of wellness, which doesn't just mean that you don't have a disease, but it truly means that balance between how you take care of your body, how you approach your sense of mindfulness and your mind, as well as spirituality. And when you look at that, you clearly can describe a sense of wellness. It's an overall sense of well-being.
Now, we've had a number of conversations over the last few years in regard to wellness. And I like the whole approach of integrated,
I do.
Medicine. There's some doctors taking that approach, but not as many. Do you feel that could, in fact, incorporate that into their practices?
I think that's a great question. I think that there's clearly a trend line now where even a lot of the physical, mental, emotional aspects of our lives are not being addressed by traditional medicine. A lot of the medical societies are clearly devoting more training, more time into educating our younger residents, medical students, that this has to now incorporate into true medical care. So with the Wellness Center, it has allowed me to address, through the services that I offer, this aspect of care. And so everything I offer in the Wellness Center, it truly comes from that bottom line, which is that to really feel well, be healthy, prevent disease is your strength, rather than be at the back end trying to take care of an already established disease, which sometimes is already set in its ways, and all you can do at that point is react. So our services, I think, stem from that, which is that these are areas where you don't always get traditional-based practices offering them. I love the fact that you do not have to be my medical patient. And I like the fact that it's available in a manner that is not only easy to follow, but we're there to support you as you go along your journey in the services we do have. And we divided them up in different categories depending on need.
So, you know, when people think of a health and wellness and a health and wellness center, they think of things such as yoga. They think of things such as, what is that, the Reiki, and stuff like that. And it would seem like that would be a natural fit for all persons, right? But not everybody believes in this kind, because they think it's something contrary. So they lean on those pills and all that stuff. But that's what you're trying to get us away from. Is that correct?
I mean, I could definitely start with the first aspect that all of us can relate to, which is a sense of wanting to have a well-balanced body so that you are able to focus on the things that matter to you in your life. And it sometimes comes down to even the things you eat, food. Realizing that this is a blessing to be able to be alive, to be able to eat, to be able to enjoy the bounties of the earth, but having now a different approach, which is that I can use this to cure my disease, or better yet, how about if I use this to prevent